Find the slope of the line that passes through the points 4, -7, and -2.
Okay, let's label x1 and y1, x2 and y2. Do we all remember this whole formula? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Sorry if all that is distracting. That was a video from first period. So we have y2 is -3 minus the negative would be how many? Plus 7. And then we have -2 plus the 4. And that's going to get to 4 over, how many is that? Is it -6? Oh, that was supposed to be a minus, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a minus. So it'd be -6. So -2 over 3. And it asked us to find the slope, and we did. Done. Let's go to number 8. Going up. Okay, on number 8. Let's start with vertical angles and linear pairs. So we know 110, so our vertical angle is 110 over here. Because of my linear pair, angle 1 has to be how many? Oh, 70. And then we have vertical angles are congruent. Okay, let's go to 155. Vertical angles are congruent again. And then we have a linear pair, so we know angle 7 is same as this other angle. So how many is that other angle? Is it 35 or 25? 25. So that makes this angle 25. Could I use triangle sum on this one? Add these two and subtract it from 180? Yeah, let's do that. Add 110 plus 25 and subtract it from 180. How many is it? Do it on the side. 45. And then I know this vertical angle is congruent, even though we're not looking for that. I have a linear pair, so we know angle 4 has to be how many? 145 or 135? 35. And I have my vertical angles as well. Okay, questions on that one? All right, let's go on to the back. Let's go to number 10. So 10 has a given angle measurement. And it says these two lines are parallel. So I'm going to use my usual highlighters. So A is parallel to B, cut by our transversal C. Okay, what is angle 1 and angle 8 called? Alternate exterior. Can you say opposite exterior? No. It's alternate exterior angles. But now let's go to 4 and 6. What was 4 and 6 called? Good. Same side interior. And what was another word for same side interior? Consecutive interior. Consecutive interior. Okay, let's go on to number 14. This one should have listed that these two lines are parallel. And that part I messed up on. So it should be parallel. Cut by our transversal. What's awkward about this problem is the fact that it's not asking us to find x or y, but it's asking us to find the angles that do not have the expressions. So let's kind of think about our logic. Here I have an obtuse. Here I have an acute. Can I equate them to each other? No. If two lines are parallel, obtuse plus acute must be how many? 180. So we have 4y plus 20 plus 2y plus 40 must be 180. And then we want to combine like terms. 6y plus 60 Must be 180. And let's use our Algebra 1 skills and solve for y. So it should be clean numbers in the tens. How many? 20, very good. So I'm gonna plug that in for this guy right here. If I plug in 4 times 20 plus 20 is how many? 100. So angle 3 is also 100. And what else is also 100? 5, very good. Then I know angle 4 is supplement to the 100, so it must be 80. Okay, was that our last one? I believe so.